Hi everyone. This is the lesson plan assignment part 3 with the extended writing assignment component assignment overview. For this presentation, I would like to model the collaborative reasoning strategy, which is an after reading comprehension strategy that you can find in Lewis and Strong. There are 8 steps that Lewis and Strong detail when applying collaborative reasoning. So for the purposes of this presentation, our text selection is this presentation. I am going to review the ground rules for discussion. I will pose a central question. I will give you an opportunity to explain your initial thoughts and position. And then steps 5 through 8, we won't be able to fully engage in simply because of the modality with which I'm delivering this information. But then from there, teachers would engage in steps 5 through 8 by having small group discussions with students and then building their arguments based on the central question. So again, I'm highlighting steps 2 through 4 in this presentation. So examples of ground rules for our collaborative reasoning application include all ideas are valid and accepted in this space. All students are encouraged to participate and have an opportunity to participate. I encourage ideas to be shared and challenged with kindness. And then any claims that you offer in your opinions, in your counter arguments, should be supported with literature and or experience. So our central question for this text that we're engaging with today is, what has been the most challenging part of the lesson plan assignments and why? So I would ask that each of you viewing this presentation take a minute to share your thoughts on what the most challenging part of the lesson plan assignments have been. And you can share your opinion here on this Google form. I will attach it separately or link it separately on UB Learns from the PowerPoint, but you'll be able to access it in the PowerPoint as well. So getting more into the lesson plan assignment part 3 objectives. Like your previous assignments, you are looking to select strategies that demonstrate equity across all 4 of your quad text set text selections. And the focus is on after reading strategies. In addition, you are also considering an extended writing piece that goes along with these 4 lessons. So just like before, you will have 4 lesson plans in total. The only addition is that extended writing piece that you can simply include at the end of all 4 lessons. There are examples provided on UB Learns for this lesson plan assignment part 3. They are the lesson plan assignment part 3 of examples 1, 2, and 3, so you can see the evolution of those students' work. So now that we've engaged in a modified version of collaborative reasoning, and now that we've finished looking at the bulk or main or specific part of the text, I'm going to model a magnet summary for you, which is another strategy that you can find in Lewis and Strong. And this is an example of what an extended writing assignment can look like for this set of lessons. So a magnet summary follows 4 main components. You're giving students a specific passage of informational text. You have the student identify a magnet word In this example, I'm going to use a magnet phrase. And then what are the attractor words or what's connected to that magnet phrase? And then students are required to synthesize that information in a single sentence. So for my example here, I have lesson plan assignment part 3 requires teachers to apply after reading strategies for each text in their quad text set and develop an extended writing assignment. So the magnet word or phrase is lesson plan assignment part 3. I think it's hopefully clear that that would be the magnet phrase because the focus of this text, which is this PowerPoint, is on lesson plan assignment part 3. And then some key attractor terms or phrases would be the after reading strategies. We're looking at the text from the quad text set, and then something unique to lesson plan assignment part 3 is after reading strategies and also the extended writing assignment. So as you are working this week on your lesson plan assignment part 3, please don't hesitate to contact me through email. You can also use the forum on Blackboard. If you would like to send me a draft of lesson plan assignment part 3, I will give everyone the opportunity to do that up until Thursday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. If for some reason you still want me to look at a draft, but you won't be able to get it into me until say Friday, just email me if you really would like me to look at a draft. I'm more than happy to do that. And I encourage you to do that as well. And then your final lesson plan assignment part 3 projects will be due Sunday, which is April 30th by 11:59 p.m. Eastern. I know you are all working extremely hard. It's so nice and encouraging to see these ideas come to life. Please know I'm here to support you in whatever way you need. And don't hesitate to schedule to meet with me on Calendly either. Okay, everyone, take care. Have a great week.